आज तो क्रेजी हो गया। आज मैं लेने वाला हूँ 17 लाख की टोक्यो टू लंदन फर्स्ट क्लास फ्लाइट ऑन जापान एयरलाइंस फॉर ऑलमोस्ट फ्री। इस फ्लाइट की वेलकम ड्रिंक अलोन इज ओवर 1.5 लाख रुपीज। ये मेरे चैनल का फर्स्ट क्लास वीडियो है एंड आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड टू शेयर दिस विथ यू। तो मेरे साथ चलो, क्योंकि आई एम गोना बी कवरिंग द सीट, फूड एंड बेवरेज, ऑन ग्राउंड एक्सपीरियंस which would include check-in, टोक्यो के हानेडा एयरपोर्ट पे फर्स्ट क्लास लाउंज, इस फ्लाइट में और क्या क्या स्पेशल है, एंड ऑल्सो हम क्रू को एक रिज रेटिंग देने वाले हैं। एंड इस फ्लाइट की जापानीज अटेंडेंट्स ने तो मुझे गिफ्ट देकर अपनी खातिरदारी से रिजर्व कर दिया है। Stay till the end of the video to find out what it actually is. Hi, I'm Rishabh, founder of Crazy Rewards, and I've been traveling the world for the past few months, sitting in some of the finest, best, most amazing first and business class cabins, and finally मैंने जापान को अलविदा कह दिया। Also at the end of the video I'll show you how I booked this seat for almost nothing। तो आज हमारी क्रेजी की सवारी शुरू हो रही है टोक्यो में।
Welcome from Terminal 3 at the Tokyo Haneda Airport. This is where we're going to be boarding our flight from to London. Yes, I'm going to London again, but that is just because I wanted to try this flight and I had booked it way before any of my other flights, and I didn't want to reschedule this because there was no other availability. But really excited, gonna go upstairs now. This is where the Uber dropped me, the taxi area. Gonna go upstairs and finally go to the first class check-in counter. So excited!
I love how extra Japan is. Can you see these luggage trolleys over here? भाई देखो कितने cool और over engineered है. They literally think about everyone. I have reached the check-in area, जहाँ पर as a normal Indian I was right over there, line में रुक गया.
We have another room for first class.
Okay.
Can I assist you?
Yeah, please. Thank you. Thank you. That's amazing. तब एक दीदी ने मुझे आकर बोला कि भाई फर्स्ट क्लास जा रहे हो ना, क्या ये गरीबों जैसे एक लाइन में रुक रहे हो, मेरे साथ इधर आओ. There is an exclusive first class check-in area. And it's not just an area, you can think of it as a check-in lounge. It's behind private doors. You are escorted to that area जहाँ पर they take your passport, your bags, and you have to just sit and relax in the lounge where you'll be served coffee, tea, कुछ खाने को चाहिए तो आपको यहीं मिल जाएगा. As soon as my check-in was done, एक private area के through I got done with my security and immigration within 2 minutes. अब lounge की बात छेड़ दी है तो चलो मेरे साथ the world famous Japan Airlines first class lounge. As I mentioned, this has been a dream flight of mine for as long as I can remember. तो मेरे को इसको ना पूरे एक्सटेंड तक एंजॉय करना था, एंड इसीलिए मैं 5 घंटे पहले फ्लाइट के लाउंज आ बैठा. एंजॉय करने का मतलब ये भी है कि एप्पल जूस मेरे को एंजॉय करना था. This is a 26,000 square feet lounge with 2 floors and 3 main sections. The primary area of the lounge, if I'm being completely honest, was subpar and I was really underwhelmed with it because भाई पीक आवर्स में ना ये इतना क्राउडेड हो जाता है, मेरे को लग रहा था कोई इंडियन रेलवे स्टेशन के मैं वेटिंग एरिया में हूँ. This is not something that you would expect at a first class lounge. Well, the main area did have a live sushi counter which made up for the overcrowded lounge to an extent. चलो लाउंज तो पहुँच गए, अभी रिव्यू करते हैं कैसा लगा. I had breakfast where I had some vegan burger and some vegan sushi, which was alright, nothing to rave about, but in all fairness it was vegan. So well, the second main section or the major section of the same floor was the red suite, जो सुबह 7 बजे खुलता है. Now this actually feels like a proper first class lounge, and because majority of the people were actually sitting in the primary area, ये पूरा एक private speakeasy की vibes दे रहा था. They had a bar with a wall full of exclusive champagnes, a game room, a place to get your loafer polished, and यहाँ पर Japan Airlines के aviation history के artifacts लगे हुए थे. Trust me, this literally felt like I was in heaven. Pure heaven for app geeks like myself. The final section of the lounge, which was Japan Airlines Salon, is actually on the upper floor, and just like the Red Suite, ये भी 7 बजे खुलता है. It's not a barber shop. यहाँ भी एक private lounge है, massage chairs है, and एक छोटा सा बार. बस lounge enjoy करने के बाद आखिरी champagne लेते हुए I was on my way to boarding. Just got done with my time at lounge. Had a great time over here, a very relaxing massage on the chair. Now heading towards gate 113, which is about a 5-minute walk from here, and ready to board the first class flight of my world trip. Normally when it comes to international flights, आपको flight के 1 घंटे पहले board करना पड़ता है. But भाई just look at the Japanese efficiency. 25 मिनट्स में इन लोगों ने पूरी बोर्डिंग खत्म की है एंड पुशबैक शुरू हो गया. नाउ दैट्स व्हाट आई कॉल एफिशिएंसी. चलो, इट्स टाइम फॉर मी टू फाइनली गिव द ऑन ग्राउंड रेटिंग. इसमें हम काउंट करने वाले सिक्योरिटी चेक, इमिग्रेशन, हाउ क्विक इट वाज, हाउ गुड द लाउंज वाज इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्पेस, फूड, क्वालिटी, प्राइवेसी एंड फैसिलिटीज. अ वेरी डिजर्विंग 4/5. पीरियड एफिशिएंसी तो है ही, but to get your fancy Loro Pianos polished and a separate check-in area like a lounge, sealed the deal for me, boss. The only reason I am deducting the point is because of the main section of the lounge and how overcrowded it was. I was literally showing this flight का video to my roommates कि ये मेरी ड्रीम फ्लाइट है, एंड उसके लिटरली 1 हफ्ते बाद मुझे नोटिफिकेशन आया अबाउट दिस फ्लाइट बीइंग अवेलेबल. मैंने जब ये फ्लाइट बुक की थी, मेरे को पता भी नहीं था कि आई एम गोना बी ऑन अ वर्ल्ड टूर. बट अब जापान इतना घूमने के बाद मेरा मन ही नहीं कर रहा है कि आई वांट टू गो बैक. जस्ट लुक एट द प्रिस्टीन व्यूज. ऐसे नज़ारे देखो, इतने प्यारे लोग. तो चलो, जापान को सायोनारा कहते हुए I have reached the plane that we're sitting on today is my personal favorite Airbus A350-1000. And you want to know a fun fact? इसमें जो engines लगे हुए हैं ना, these are actually from Rolls-Royce. I walked in expecting a seat, a good one. But भाई, what is this? ये तो पूरा का पूरा घर है. I'm not joking. I've seen New York apartments smaller than this. This is freaking huge. I'm not kidding when I say, but you can actually fit 6 economy seats in this space. And what makes it even more enormous is the fact यहाँ पर overhead bins भी नहीं है. So भाई height भी ज़्यादा लग रही है. I was obviously traveling with cabin luggage, तो गया कहाँ वो अगर overhead bins नहीं है. Right here, beneath the seat in front of you, in a proper storage unit. अब जैसे ही मैं बैठा, मेरे हाथ में पहुंच गया एक hot towel and Salon champagne, which my friends cost you well over 1.5 lakh rupees just for a 750 ml bottle of champagne. And you know what? Honestly, I don't think ये कोई seat है. This felt more like a sofa cum bed. Cause bro, look at this. And yes, like the KLM one from the previous video, it is a lie flat seat. मतलब this gets converted into a full bed. And you know what? यहाँ पर भी Japanese have went above and beyond and pulled a master class. They let you choose the softness of the mattress. Yes, you can actually pick between a soft and a foam mattress for your lie flat. Bro, how much better can the seat get? ये TV देख रहे हो आप? It's actually a 43-inch 4K TV with a massive selection of movies and TVs to pick from. And you are also given an iPad. ये इतनी बड़ी तो इकोनॉमी में टीवी भी नहीं होती जितना बड़ा ये iPad है. And you know the best part? You can control the entire suite from this, whether it's seat functions, ये TV, lighting. केबिन क्रू को बुलाना है, आप literally अपने iPad से बस एक टच से कर सकते हो. The seat also has universal sockets at multiple spots to keep your gadgets fully charged, and also a wireless charging spot. There's more. You also have a mini closet where you can store your clothes while you wear their plushy pajamas. You are also given 2 amenity kits. One is a standard one by Harold Boney, which has a moisture face mask, mouthwash, earplugs, a comb, a dental kit, hand cream, lip balm. भाई थक गया मैं तो बोलते बोलते, इतना ज़्यादा सामान है. But wait, it's not over yet. You also get pocket tissues and an actual charging cable. But bhai, that's just the first one. You are also given a second amenity kit by Shiseido, which by the way is an ultra luxurious Japanese brand. And यहाँ पर है एक face cleanser, hydrating lotions and a total revitalizer cream. The seat also has Bang & Olufsen headphones. Yes, actual B&O headphones, which unfortunately तुम घर पे नहीं लेके जा सकते. बहुत sad हो गया. But कोई बात नहीं. There are 2 ways to operate it. You can connect it via Bluetooth or via a cable. But that's not it. If you have your own AirPods, you can connect those with the TV as well via Bluetooth. एक और सबसे बढ़िया बात बताऊं, आप ये सीट का हेडरेस्ट देख रहे हो, दे हैव एक्चुअल स्पीकर्स जिनके थ्रू आप IFE से सुन सकते हो. भाई क्या कूल चीज़ बनाई है. आई लव हाउ मेटिकुलसली एंड हाउ थॉटफुल ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इन दिस सीट इज. Just look at this, man. This is what I'm gonna miss the most about Japan. सच्ची में बहुत sweet है लोग यहाँ पर. Now it's time for the actual seat rating. I'm going to be considering the comfort, leg space, privacy and entertainment. जब आप सुनना भी चाहते हो, सब तो देख लिया भाई. But the seat gets a 6 on 5. One hour into the flight, and honestly, this place already feels like home. I don't want to leave this. Bhai. I'm literally speechless about how good this experience has already been. Right after takeoff, हमने कहा फूजी को बाय बाय और शुरू की यहाँ से हमारी पेट पूजा. My meal had caviar, 2 appetizers, हाँ भाई starters, and 2 items for main course and a soup. Not in that order particularly, but yes. The meal began with the caviar, only the right way to do it, with a mother of pearl spoon. Now, boys and girls, if you're ever served caviar with a metal spoon, run. Plane से उधर ही उठ जाओ parachute से, but वो खाना मत. The only right way to do it is by using the mother of pearl spoon, putting a dab on the back of your palm and eating it. The next was a carrot soup, which so freaking good. क्योंकि उसके साथ I was also accompanied by a bread basket, and one thing I'll tell you for sure is Japanese know how to do milk bread perfectly. That jalab. Now both the starters were great, but the highlight of the lunch was the main course, जो था spiced tofu kebab with Middle Eastern ratatouille. Then they asked me about dessert, but मैंने कहा भाई कोई नहीं, बस हो गया मेरा, पेट भर गया, सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट के साथ दे देना. खाना तो हो ही गया था, बट हमने अब तक कुछ खास पिया नहीं था. So I somehow convinced very sweet group of Japanese crew to serve me an entire flight of wine. And my goodness, इतना tasty and बढ़िया था, मैं क्या बताऊँ. मैं ये पहले भी मेरी फ्लाइट पे कर चुका हूँ, but that was business class and this is first class, and ज़मीन आसमान का फ़र्क है. If you're ever on a business class or a first class, you guys have to ask the cabin crew to enjoy a flight of wine. At this point, bhai, I was so tired. मेरी जान निकल गई थी, तो I wanted to get some sleep, and crew recommended that I should get the foam mattress to enjoy a good night's sleep. which is exactly what I did for only 2 hours because भाई पेट को वापस भूख लग गई. And उठते ही मैंने क्रू को बोला I would like to have some iced latte along with the dessert जो मैंने पहले नहीं खाया. And as you can see, the dessert over here was a matcha dessert. Don't judge me yet, क्योंकि this was hands down the best matcha dessert ever. भाई फ्लाइट के दूसरे एस्पेक्ट्स तो इतने अच्छे ही थे, बट मेरे को ये फ्लाइट वापस सिर्फ ये डेजर्ट के लिए लेनी है. Now it's time to actually rate the food and beverage. Bang on 5 on 5. I mean, it's not really a shocker because the menu was set by Michelin star chefs. After I got done with the dessert, it was actually time to enjoy the cabin. मतलब भाई everything was so meticulous. The colors that they had used in the cabin were so soothing and luxurious. They even went as far as giving the floor a different colored carpet. मतलब जब आप aisle में चल रहे हो, there is a different color, but as soon as you step into your suite, it's actually a red carpet, जो आपको एकदम celebrity वाली feeling देता है. If I didn't already mention it, the seat actually has a drawer for your shoes. जब आप इनके दिए हुए स्लीपर्स पहनो तो आपके शूज they don't just lie around. What was even more impressive was that the menu actually comes in a leather folios. And you know what? The iPad that they have actually controls the entire suite in real time. And even in the lavatory, when you're changing into the pajamas, एक अलग से spot है where you can stand without your shoes. This is actually peak detailing by Aditya Dhar bhai. And you know what's amazing about this plane? You can actually black out the windows. No, I don't mean closing the windows, but actually blacking out by selecting the transparency you want. ये सब consider होगा हमारे Quasi rating में. Now taking into account the design of the plane, the layout, ambience, lavatory, basically the wow factor, जो इस plane में if I'm being honest भाई बहुत ज़्यादा थे. The flight gets a solid 5 on 5. Lots of thoughtful touches and overall a very good cabin design that makes it deserving of the score. Now as we are approaching London Heathrow, इस फ्लाइट को देना बचता है मेरा वर्ल्ड फेमस रिज रेटिंग. भाई रिज ऐसे नहीं, it is basically how the crew with their behavior, friendliness and welcoming nature rizzed me up. And boy, these might be the best crew members I've ever met on my travels. Literally ever. They were very sweet, very helpful, even agreeing to provide me an entire flight of wines on board. And you know what? इन्होंने मुझे एक handmade gift भी दिया along with a mini plane model of ATR 72 and इतने सारे A350 souvenirs. And they were the most comprehensive cabin crews ever. Literally every time I order something, they make sure that they come up with a hot towel, which is really impressive. Very small, but that is the difference between business and first class. And even when I boarded, they explained each and every aspect of the seat, the menu in depth. I really don't think any world where this level of service would get anything lesser than a 5 on 5. This brings the total score of Japan Airlines first class to a mighty 25 on 25. So the descent of the flight has already begun, and like all good things come to end, this one has almost come to an end too, and I'm very sad because this was the best flight of my life. The crew was super sweet. They gave me special gifts, they gave me miniature airplane models as well. I wish I had more than 24 hours on this flight because I could live on this flight. Hands down, the best flight of my life. The amenity kit was super nice. They had special Shiseido men products. They had Harold Boni products. Just love it. Now London तो almost पहुंच ही गया, but something that you guys have been almost waiting for कि भाई कैसे बुक करी मैंने ये सिर्फ 2000 रुपए में. Well, the 2000 were only the taxes I paid. The rest were covered by 90,000 American airline points, which are difficult to access. So, here are all the other programs at almost an equal amount of points and cash component जहाँ से आप book कर सकते हो. What's even more beautiful is that soon आप ये points हमारे खुद के platform पर, well, find about it soon enough. एंड इफ यू आर स्टिल वॉचिंग, कर ही दो सब्सक्राइब यार इस चैनल को। और भी कोई ट्रैवल्स एक्सपीरियंसेस आने वाले हैं, और भी ऐसी फ्लाइट्स जहाँ पर आपका माइंड फक होने वाला है।